Hello students, I am Akhilesh Singh and we are here to discuss the variation of value of g with height and depth. Variation of value of g. Here g is gravitational acceleration with height and depth. Okay. Now let there be Earth whose radius is RE and you are here at some height h. Let this point is B and this point is A. Say value of gravitational acceleration is g at point A and g dash at point B. So here what will be the value of g at at the surface of Earth, and this will be g me upon re square, well known formula of gravitational acceleration. Now g dash will be g me upon re plus h. Re plus is the distance of the body from the center of the Earth into to the whole square. Equation number 2. Dividing equation number 2 by equation number 1. Equation number 2 by 1. What will we get? G dash by g equal to re square by re plus h to the whole square. Now take re outside the bracket and you will get g re square 1 plus h upon re to the whole square. Here re square will be cancelled out. So g dash will be equal to g by 1 plus h by re to the whole square. So this will be the formula of gravitational acceleration as we move upwards from the surface of Earth. As you know, the weight of body is given by m into g. So weight will also vary as the value of g will vary. So here you can see h by re. This value is greater than 1. So complete will be greater than 1. So g by greater than 1 will be less than, g dash will be less than g. So here as you move upwards, value of g will decrease. H increases, so g, value of g will decrease. So value of g decreases, so weight will also decreases. Getting my point? Now take a simple example. Here is the Earth. This is radius r, and you are here somewhere r by 2 distance. What will be value of g here at this point A? So you can use this formula. So g dash equal to g 1 plus r by 2 by r to the whole square. So r will be cancelled out and it will be g by 1 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. This will be g by 9 by 4 and this will come to 4g by 9, and this value will be g dash. 4 by 9 is less than 1, so g dash will be less than g. Okay, so weight will also decrease. If you have to find out what is the percentage decrease? So percentage decrease also you can calculate delta G, and that is G final minus G initial upon G initial into 100. You can also calculate from these by putting these values. G final and G initial is G. You can find out the percentage decrease. If it will be decrease, then it will come in negative sign, and if it will be increase, then it will come to positive sign. So here it will come in negative sign, because if you are going upwards, the value of G will decrease. Okay, now it's time to learn what will happen to value of G when we move downwards from the surface of Earth. So here let this is RE is the radius of Earth, and you are moving here d distance. You are here at point A, so you have to find out value of G here. Let it is G dash. So draw this Gaussian surface at this point. So gravitational field at this point will be only due to the mass enclosed by this Gaussian surface. So you can write here G dash equal to G ME dash by RE minus D. So what will be the distance from center? This distance will be RE minus D. This distance will be RE minus D to the whole square. And what is the value of G at the surface of Earth? It is G equal to G ME upon RE square. Here you can also write this value G mass equal to volume into density. So it is 4 by 3 pi RE cube into density upon RE square. RE square will be cancelled out. So this will be G 4 by 3 pi RE rho. If value of G and 4 by 3 pi is constant, so you can also write G is directly proportional to RE into rho. This is also a important formula which will be used in the chapter for solving the numericals. Okay. Now this is equation number 1. Here G dash will be equal to G into 4 by 3 pi into RE minus T to the whole cube into rho by RE minus T whole square. This will be cancelled out, so you will get only G 4 by 3 pi RE minus D into rho, equation number 2. Now divide equation number 2 by 1. What will you get? G dash by G equal to RE minus D by RE. So here this will be 1 minus T by R. Okay. So here you can also write that this is it is. Now so you can write G dash equal to G 1 minus T by R, and this value also be less than 1, so G dash will be also less than G. So as you move downwards, value of G will also decrease. So as either you go upwards, either you go downwards from the surface of Earth, you will get less weight, means value of G will decrease. So now this will be the formula here. Now in special case you can also see the relation between D and H. if value of G is same. What is this? Suppose you are at a certain point at a height and you have a certain value of G, and if you go down to the earth and you will get the same value of G, then the relation between D down to the earth and H will be found out here. Okay, so here G at height equal to G at depth, and what was the value of at height? 1 minus 2h upon RE, and here 1 minus T by I. G will be cancelled out. It will come 2h equal to D. So you can also see a question here. If you are here 10 kilometer above the surface of earth and having some value of gravitational acceleration G, what will be the depth inside the earth's surface where the same value will be found out? So you have to calculate this value D. So what is D? D equal to 2h. So 2 into 10, that is 20 kilometer down to the earth you will have to move to get same value of G as you got when you were at the height of 10 kilometers. Thank you.